A lot of times we don't even understand the power of public speaking and how public speaking changes us and how it can help us reach our potential. Here's 4 ways that public speaking can help you reach your potential. When you have to speak, you definitely know you have to do some research. At least you should be doing research. That is about acquiring knowledge. That knowledge makes you amazing because it allows you to gain the knowledge you need to speak effectively. There's no way you're speaking to people and you're not interacting. That interaction is how you build the social skills that you need, and it allows you to have a communication with others and connect in ways that you may not have been able to. So connection through interaction is a huge part of public speaking. If you're speaking, you're promoting yourself. Any and every time you speak, you promote yourself. When you're public speaking, you are promoting yourself. Whether it's 5 people, 10 people, 100 people, promote. That's how it works. And if you're promoting yourself effectively, that promotion is going to get you far. Each time you public speak, you allow yourself to reach your potential because that gives you the opportunity to promote, to learn, to gain that knowledge, to interact. And not only that, you're sharing what you're learning. And that is the ultimate way to reach your potential.